Hey everyone, it's Charlotte from the Kia Hyundai channel, and from today's outfit, we're talking about love. That's right, we're talking about the 5 things that I love about the Kia Sportage. Alright, so the first thing that I love about the Kia Sportage is the variety. This trim that we are showing is the X line, which is actually only one up from the entry-level model, and it's all-wheel drive. Now, if you don't want to spend the extra coin to get the all-wheel drive system, it is actually available in front-wheel drive too. We've got that as an option. But we've got 6 trims for the gasoline, but if gasoline isn't your thing, we also have 2 trims that are available in hybrid and also 2 in plug-in hybrid. So there truly is going to be a Sportage for absolutely everyone. The next thing I love about the Kia Sportage is obviously the cargo space. Now, I know it's a little bit dark, but check how much room you have back here. Now, the reason I love this vehicle is I'm a mom now, and with that comes a ton of gear. So not only can I fit my groceries back here and the everyday essentials of life like reusable bags, I can also fit my stroller, a pack and play, a bag of toys, and my gym bag in the cargo space, and I still have the room in the back seats. Not only that, but this cargo floor actually drops down about 2 inches, so if you need a little bit more room on the vertical, you have a little bit of leeway there too. The third thing I love about the Kia Sportage is the premium features, and with that comes a premium feel. From nose to toes, this vehicle, it absolutely has all of the safety features that you could want and that you don't typically see on something that is so close to the entry level. To start, we do have Michelin tires. How about those? We love to see them. For safety features, you also have a blind spot detection, forward collision avoidance assist, rear cross traffic alert. We also have parking sensors on the rear, and you've got a backup camera with dynamic guidelines. But the premium experience does not just stop on the outside, it continues on. So take a look at these seats. They are quilted leather. You also have them power adjustable with lumbar support, and you already know that they come heated. We also have a heated and leather wrapped steering wheel, and we have digital screens that are completely framed in piano black to add to that more luxurious detailing. We also have a beautiful faux wood grain trim to give it a more premium finish. Not only does this vehicle feel good when you're driving from the inside, but it just feels good to drive. And that's going to be the 4th thing I love about the Kia Sportage. Now, I'm actually a daily driver of the Sportage, so I'm pretty familiar with how this vehicle works. And some of the things that I absolutely love about it is how responsive this vehicle is to driver input. So what that means is when you go to give it a little bit more gas, is you know it's going to be responsive. This vehicle, it doesn't feel like a slug. It feels very stable on the road, and when it goes, it goes. Also, we know that the powertrain on this one specifically is all-wheel drive, so if you need a little bit of a boost in these harsh Canadian winters, you've got that system behind you. With that, we also have drive modes and terrain modes. For your drive modes, you've got normal, sport, and smart, each of which are going to give a custom feel to this vehicle depending on how you need it to perform. For your terrain modes, again, we got Canadian winters, so you already know that this vehicle is equipped with snow mode, mud, and sand, which we use a little bit less, but they're going to help give you a little bit more of a stable feeling with your traction control when you encounter those inclement conditions. Let's talk about number 5. I hope that doing a quick walk around of this vehicle shows you that there truly is a Sportage for everyone and just how versatile this vehicle is. Now, to give you a little bit of insight is I have driven the Sportage as a single person without a family, just with dogs, moving through college, and now I'm actually driving one as a mom with a bigger family. So no matter what season of life you are in, you're going to find that the Sportage is incredibly capable, and it's really, really going to cater to all of those seasons of life that you may be in. And a lot of that starts with just the trim variation. You know, you get all-wheel drive, you can get front-wheel drive, you've got a ton of cargo space to boot, and it's a 5-seater that does great on the highway and in the city. So no matter where you are, you're going to find a Sportage that's great for you, and it's going to treat you really well throughout all of those different seasons you may encounter. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and if you're curious and want to learn more about the Sportage, we have done walkthrough and full review videos on every single trim of the Sportage. So remember those 10 different trims? We've done a video on it, don't worry. But thank you guys so much for listening to me talk about the 5 things that I love about the Sportage. What do you love about the Sportage?